Hello friends, I am Utkarsh Awadhiya from Indore. I have enrolled myself in the 3-year classroom program at Aakash Institute, 1 year for foundation at class 10th and 2 years for medical. In 2021, I came to know about ANTHE, Aakash National Talent Hunt Examination. I decided to give it and I got a decent rank, through which I got 100% scholarship in my class 10th. I joined Aakash. The teachers were so good and the exposure I got was so amazing that I was able to get 96% in my class 10th examination, which further facilitated the idea of joining class 11th for my NEET preparation in Aakash. I wanted to become doctor early from my childhood. My grandfather had this dream for my father to become a doctor, but he couldn't. And my father had the same dream for me, and I always wanted to fulfill his dream. Along with this, I also had curiosity about learning about the human body. Due to this, I decided to become a doctor. I want to pursue my MBBS from AIMS Delhi and later do MD medicine from AIMS Delhi as well. My main preparation strategy for NEET was to focus on the upcoming fortnightly test and trying to ace it. Secondly, after studying any topic, I used to do objective questions regarding this topic from Aakash modules such as Catalyst and Leap and MCAPs. This was very helpful. Thirdly, I used to study NCERT for all the subjects during these fortnightly tests. So, till the last month, I had already revised NCERT more than 10 times, and this was very helpful for my NEET journey. I also made an error analysis copy. After every test, I used to write my error in those. And after every test, I also used to ask my error from the faculties, which were very helpful to solve my doubt. Also, after completing 12th, the NBTS program, NCERT Booster Test Series program, also very helpful. Every day, we used to have polls which were regarding NCERT's particular chapters, which helped to revise NCERT thoroughly. Various Aakash test series such as the term test in AITS helped me to prepare for my NEET journey. AITS provided me with an All India ranking, which helped me to see where I was standing in an All India basis. In the last 2 months, FTS started, that is the final test series. In FTS, every day we used to have tests which were based on NEET pattern and were done in the NEET timing, that is from 2 to 5, which helped me to accommodate with these timings. This helped me to improve my accuracy as well as reduce the time I used to take to give my tests. In this way, I was able to ace in my NEET examinations. I used to study for 6 to 7 hours after the coaching. I studied for 2 hours, then took a 15 to 20 minute break, in which I used to spend time with my family and friends and also played games such as volleyball and football. These breaks helped me to rejuvenate my energy and also increase my efficiency with which I used to study for the next 2 hours. My teachers had a very important role in my NEET journey. They were quite knowledgeable and supportive. They always supported me, helped me to clear my doubts. They built my base from the starting and cleared all my doubts related to the concept. The physics faculty was quite amazing. He was always behind me to tackle my doubts, and due to which I was not only able to clear NEET but also had a very good marks in NACP examination. My experience at Aakash was quite wonderful. The academic as well as non-academic staff were quite supportive and they always helped me. They never neglected me. Everything in Aakash was planned and was according to a schedule. Aakash provided me with a healthy competitive environment which was very necessary for me to crack my NEET examination. After joining Aakash, I became more disciplined and hardworking towards my studies. My advice for the upcoming NEET aspirants would be to always follow what your teachers are saying. Regularly study NCERT, never miss any tests, never miss any class, and at the end, do not feel demotivated if you are getting low marks in your test. I also used to get low marks in my test, but at the end, you will be able to clear your NEET examination if you stay focused. Thank you, all the best.